Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to add about number 2 2021 s to the power of 2022. Later that we need to minus about 2021 s to the power of 2022. So number 2 plus this one, we have 2023. So we need to separate them in here. They should be like this. So we need to consider about this one. So we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. Later that we need to do first derivative for the both sides. First derivative of s, we have number 1. This one we have 2023 s to the power of 2022. So this one we change by u. This one we change by du. The integration of this one, we have Ln of the absolute value of u, and I will put about c. About u, that is about this one. Now let's go to the second one. So we can do about factorization by s. Now we simplify s on numerator and denominator. Next, we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. Later that we need to do first derivative for the both sides. This one that is about the constant. So you got number 0. This one we have 2022 s to the power of 2021. Because we don't have 2022 in here, so we need to divide both sides by 2022. So this one we change by u. This one with the s we change by this one. So we will have like this. So the integration of this one, we have Ln of the absolute value of u, and I will put about c. About u, that is about this one. Now we need to go back in here. So the integration of this one, that is about this one. So the integration of this one, that is about this one. And I will put about C. This is the end. Thank you for watching.